a puppet, or in Java we call it wayang kulit. Wayang kulit is the material for the original. It's made from the water buffalo skin, and the skin is not from Java. We take from Sulawesi, because the Java buffalo is not good enough from the quality. People use buffalo, the farmer, to work for the rice field and to heat them. It's make a scarf. Scarf.
Yes.
Sulawesi have a different culture and traditions. People respect and buffalo is the holy and secret animals because they use just for the ceremony, special for the funeral, and also the enough space in there. And then for the first step of the process, we always start to make a drawing, and then how to cut the shapes like this one. We use the tool or the instrument something like this. And this is the tool. We have different models or different sizes, and this made from the motorcycle spoke. You know motorcycle spoke, yeah?
Yeah.
It's from the broken wheel, recycling. And and a long time ago, and how to carve, I use the traditional tool is made from bamboo.
Yes.
Or bones. Bamboo and bone is too soft. This is better because this is the strong enough, hard. And the story of the wayang or the marionettes in Java. This is the old traditions from the animisme culture. The idea is from the spirit and mythology. It's before any religion, before Hindu, before Buddhist, and before Muslim. Pray.
Yes.
Hindu is not from Java. It's come from India. Buddhist from Tibet. Islam or Muslim from Arabic or Middle East. And before religion in Java, people have in Java local belief. We call animism or animism. You know animism, the how to believe and how to respect with nature and spirit.
Yes.
People,
Also with karma.
Yeah, with karma. Because the karma is the kind of the how to make good and we get good
Back.
like that. Simple. And people have a harmony life. People may in that times very respect and close to the nature, and make offer to the nature. That way we have marionettes. This is how to ritual. You know ritual.
Yeah.
Instrument for ritual to the nature. We have a lot of performance for nature.
Very nice.
And then after Hindu came to Java, and Hindu used the local tradition. That's why we have a combination or mix with the Hindu story, like the big story of Ramayana and also Mahabharata. But something like this, even the story, this mix with the Hindu, the marionette is nothing to do or not connection with the religion, because this is the philosophy. This is also for the educations people how to understand about the way of life. Way of life is to progress. It's not just character, because the character between good and bad is very simple, and life is more complex. That's why in the one complete set of the figure or personality marionette we use in the spectacles, we have a 350 different models, because the character of the marionette is from each character has a different signification.
Yes.
And different meaning symbol. It's not just story, but this is more deep than story, because story no meaning is no strong. And also for the carving like this one, I just once for these figures to make carvings we need 5 days. And then after this and the second process we going to give color painting. And the color we use all from the natural color. It's not a chemical, because the chemical is not good for leather. And now I want to explain the meaning. This is not only just character, because from all of the designs like carvings has a signification. The concept of the marionette, this is the same concept with the Prambanan temple and Hindu temple. Prambanan is the bigger is Hindu temple in Indonesia. Have you visited there?
Not yet. No.
Not yet. Prambanan, that's the famous from the three gods of the mind god in Hindu mythology. Vishnu, Brahma, Shiva. Vishnu God as the protector, Shiva is for the Brahma for the creator, and Shiva is the higher God for the destroyer, destruction. And Borobudur, you can find the 3 steps. This is the same in the wayangs. In the wayang or the marionette, we can find the 3 parts. This is the first step, the second step, and the third step. 1, 2, 3. What the 3 steps mean? This is the room inside or the energy inside in the human body. The first step is from the basic is the instinct. Instinct everyone has when we born our baby. We get because how to survive. Food. This is from the animals. And then the second step is for the emotion and feeling. This from the heart. And the third step is for the top is for the mind and spirituality. Human have 3 parts. And the spirituality we put in the top. If sometimes people lose of the spirituality, only have a mind and no harmony life. Because in this situation, most of people they forget to come back to the basic. Always want to have too much thinking. And how to find the balance? They combine like a circle. We must have an instinct, we must have emotion, and we must have a mind and spirituality. This is the basic of life. And for the crown, something like this is no crown for the king and queens. Because the crown is the symbol of responsibility. The responsibility, because everyone as the king and queen for themselves. And the responsibility have different levels. In the wayang or marionette have 3 levels. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 levels. The first level of responsibility is the how to create for ourselves. Because when we already have responsibility, we already have a respect principle. And then the second step of responsibility, we must create more because we must give to others, like family and other peoples. And the higher level of responsibility, this is the big responsibility when we have give back to nature and what we believe. And this is something difficult, and most of people forget. Because most of people they forget to take care and to give back to the nature, and people always use the 1 and second, and most of people just have once. This is more like a government, only have a responsibility to take care of themselves and no think of others.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, and then this one, this is the Makara. I show you a little bit close. Makara is you can see the 2 eyes, yeah, with the big mouth, with the teeth. Makara is the face of the giant. This is in the mythology of Java, is for the symbol of energy, positive for protection from the demon and the bad spirits. Because the bad spirit and the demon is come from behind.
Yes.
Because we cannot see it in the backs. This is to protect us. You can find this in the many front of the temple. Like the scare face, the monster face.
Yes.
Yeah. And then this shapes like a wing. In Java we call it probo. Probo means the feeling and emotion. And the feeling and emotion of human is no flat. Because when we still alive, his feeling and emotion is always like up and down, 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 up and down. What the mean up and down? That's when we feel up for happiness and we going down for sadness. Happiness and sadness is no much different because we cannot go to feel happy without sadness. It's the part of emotion, control of emotion. And this is the part of the energy. In the center of the energy, people in Hindu call the mind chakra. The chakra have in the human body. Yeah, 7. You read 7 chakra, and this is the 7 chakra, and this is the mind in central of the chakra. We keep chakra here from the mind. We keep chakra from the emotion, and we keep chakra from the fashion. People try to meditation, the control of the belly. We try to breathe from here, and this parts. Is the flower, lotus, for the center of the balance in the human body. We have 4 symbols of the balance. This is the 1 and 2, 3, 4. Because that's explain about the 4 elements, from the nature.
Yes.
We have water, we have fire, earth, and the winds. And this is the center of the balance from the human, because this the flexus. You know flexus?
Yes.
Yeah. This is very sensitive. When the people hit me here, I'm sleep. No dream. And this the dragon in the arms and in the legs. That's for the symbol of the charisma and wisdom. In dragon is the secret animals as like a symbolized from Java culture. In Java we call it naga. Naga is for the symbol of the power. And this is also we need power in the basic as the strong foundation. If people have a strong foundation, they can feel the ground and stay stable. And this is the finger, is the meditation. The way of meditation is like this in Java style.
Yes. Like
Yeah, something like that. Meditation is how to focus, how to take energy, and how to give back energy. Because in the morning we take energy from the sky, and in the night we give back to the ground. This is the how to control of the 3 point 1, 2, 3. Instinct, emotion, and mind. And man is more bigger than others because the most of problem in life is from here. Everywhere is the same. Problem is already from the mind. Too much thinking
Yes.
and stress. This is the circle.
Beautiful.
This is the signification, yeah. It's not just the marionette, it's not just the story,
Wow.
but this is the basic of life. And this is the possible to use in this concept of life in everywhere. How to find in balance and the harmony in life. It's not from how much we have, but how we can feel.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I will try to bring it over to everybody.
Oh,
Some
thank you. Oh, yeah, anu ya. It's from where?
from Belgium.
Oh, Belgium. Yeah. I when I still small kids, I show your queen because your queens visit Sultan number 9.